My name is Amit Pinto. I'm representing Pimmy Electromech. We are from Thane. This is our small scale blow molding machine. This is up to a capacity of 250 ml. You can make any bottles from 40 ml to up to 250 ml. Capacity is like production speed is 500 bottles per hour. Cost of the machine is very economical. It's just 1.75 lakhs with a connected load of around 7.5 kilowatts. So this is mainly for people who want to produce in-house, like juice makers and all, rather than buying bottles from outside, which increases their transportation cost. Because these bottles, if you see, by volume, they occupy a lot of space, but by weight, they are very light. These are very lightweight bottles. They weigh at just around 7 grams. So if you are trying to buy these bottles from the market, because of the size of the volume of the bottles, you require a lot of space. That way, transportation cost increases. Plus, you also have to store these bottles when you are manufacturing it in-house. But if you make these bottles in-house in your own facility, what will happen is you only have to buy the raw materials, which will occupy less space. So if you look at the total space constraint, that is there. Plus, you can make bottles as per your requirement rather than be dependent upon somebody else to manufacture your bottles for you. And you can have different shapes, any sizes, like up to 250 ml, you can have different sizes, shapes. This can be used for people who are into manufacturing for shampoos, conditioners and small products like that. Response has been pretty good. We have been very happy with the response that we have got, especially from small, medium enterprises. A lot of people couldn't think that such a small machine could be made. Thank you very much.